Understanding what LUTs are would help you actually understand a lot about color grading your videos, your footages. And yes, I asked Google if presets and LUTs were the same thing, and this was the answer it actually gave me. Now in today's video, we are going to dive in deeply into how LUTs work, meaning that you will be able to understand what LUTs are, understanding it very well, how to import LUTs, or maybe will I say presets of other people into your videos, and how to create LUTs using ChatGPT, or actually just creating the LUTs manually by yourself, and actually how to even save your own LUTs. And all this will be done on the CapCut application. Now, as I said, in today's video we are going to be talking about all this. Do well to subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed, and yeah, do well to check out other video editing tutorials that you would see if you click the link above. Now, heading forward, what are LUTs? What is the full meaning, or what is the acronym, or the full meaning of LUTs? LUT is actually easy. It means lookup tables, and LUTs are a kind of color filters that you use to alter the colors in your image. Now, your images or your videos. And as I asked, can presets also be known as LUTs? And the answer was quite simple. No, presets are not the same as LUTs, though they are both used in photos and video editing. Presets are more versatile than LUTs, which are more focused on color and tone. Now, to understand this a lot more better, a group of settings that can change many characteristics such as exposure, sharpness, and vignetting can be known as presets, and they can be found in many forms such as phone apps and computer softwares, and they can also be known as style, Photoshop plugins, and even photo filters. Now, for LUTs, it's more like a lookup table that can change colors and tones, a predetermined array of numbers that apply a set of mathematical formulas to an existing color. And then they can be used in any software that supports the cube format. They can be used to transform color inputs value from a camera to the desired output value for final footages. And at least to explain this last point that was given here, that it can be used to impute values to a camera to the desired output value for the final footage. If you can take cameras that shoot in X-log for an example, they use LUTs to change the color, that is to bring out the actual color of the camera or what was being shot with the camera. Now, LUTs can be used in softwares like Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Lightroom, Adobe Premiere Pro, and also on CapCut. And let me explain this. LUTs or presets, yes, because I think since they're almost the same thing, LUTs or presets can be created on Premiere Pro, Lightroom, or all these other softwares, and even on CapCut. But guess what? You cannot be able to export your CapCut preset to any other software, but you can import presets or LUTs from other softwares down to CapCut. But yes, you can also be able to save your own CapCut preset. It's not like you cannot be able to use it. Yeah. So on CapCut, you can import, you can make, you can save LUTs or presets, but you can't export them to other editing softwares. For sit-down creators like us, there are some LUTs or there are some presets that I can use or I cannot use. The thing is, you already know the feel you want to go for. So I think if you're even going to be downloading any preset or any LUT, you would be downloading the one that will suit the feel of what you're going for. You're not just going to be going for anything. And also, you'll be downloading a preset that suits your lighting setup. Taking my own preset for example, this is the preset that I use for my videos, all my videos. But this would work a lot more better for people that are using the exact lighting setup that I'm using. A key light in my front, a backlight, and then one, will I call it a practical light that is over there. You can see I don't really need to do anything. If someone is using the exact same light setup that I'm using with the exact camera setup, the exact settings for the camera and all, placing my LUTs or my preset on the person's video will give the person the exact output as mine. So it's easy, and yeah, that is actually how it works. So as I said, you are going to be working mainly with CapCut. You can be able to import LUTs or presets into the CapCut app. The first things first is you would have to know the preset that you want to add or the LUTs you want to add to your video. Now, this preset that you're seeing on my screen is the preset of one creator that I commented preset on his video, and he sent out his preset, his LUT. As you can see here, you can see it's written light skin LUT, and then there is the lane dark skin LUT, and it is .cube. You understand? What I'll have to do is I would have to go down to the adjustment layer. This is where I can be able to import or impute all the LUTs that I need to be in my videos on the CapCut application without doing the drag and drop. I'll click on adjustments, I'll click on presets, or I'll click on LUT, anyone, and then you can see that I already have some LUTs that are here. But me, to show you the way that you can be able to impute the LUT you want, what you will do is you click on imports, you will go to the place where your LUT is. So this is where the LUT is. Last 2 months, you can see the both of them here. You can just click on it and click on open, and immediately you click on open, it comes out here. So what you do is you click on the one that best suits you. When you click on it, you will see that it will just have an effect on your video immediately. As you can see, it has taken an effect on this video immediately. So if I click on V, you can see that the preset is out, and if I click on V again, you can see that the preset is there. So this is how you can quickly and easily be able to import a preset into your video on the CapCut application. Easy peasy. Now, for you to create your own CapCut preset or your own CapCut LUT is very, like, I mean, extremely simple. What you just have to do is, in my own video, you can see that I already have 2 presets or 2 LUTs that I actually use for my video. So when I click on one and I click on V, you can see that it takes place. But if you want to create your own, what you will just do is you will come to the adjustment layer. When you click on the adjustment layer, you click on custom adjustment. When you click on custom adjustment, you will now have to adjust the colors the way you want them to be. As you can see that the LUT tick is already ticked good. So what you just do is the adjustment, you click on the adjustments that you want, and voila, you have your LUTs assigned to you. Now this is the LUT adjustment that I use for my videos. And yes, another way you can even actually be able to create your own CapCut LUT or create your own LUT is by using ChatGPT. Now, how we use ChatGPT? You can just go to ChatGPT. So you can either be able to import your video into ChatGPT and tell it to give you a LUT, or you can just tell it to give me a color adjustment for my videos. And here you can see that it will give you a color adjustment depending on whatever you want for your video. And you can just come here, look at it, and go back to your CapCut app and add it up. And you have your video shining and popping the way you want it to. Now, saving your LUTs or saving your adjustments is another simple thing to do. What you just have to do is, on the CapCut app, you would have to log in, and when you log in, you just save your presets easily and simply, and you have it. You click on your presets and you save it, save as presets. And when you click on save as preset, you'd have to sign in, and after signing in, you have your preset saved to your email, so that whenever you want to log into your CapCut app on whatsoever device, you can be able to use your LUT preset. I hope this video was helpful and you have understood a whole lot about LUTs, color grading, and anything that has to do with LUTs and colors. Do well to subscribe to the channel if this video was helpful, and I would see you in my next video. Peace.